Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This is faster than searching. Once done, select System, then About to surface processor, RAM, and device name immediately. You need admin access for deeper checks, so make sure you're signed into an administrator account. While on the About page, note the edition and version shown. These tell you which Windows 11 features apply. If you want to capture this info, use Print Screen or the snipping tool right now to save the summary. Next, dive into Device Manager to inspect drivers, unknown devices, and hardware ID. Right-click Components for properties and driver details. Then open Storage Settings. Under Advanced Options, you can see Partition Layout and Storage Health, which explains boot issues or low space. Also open Task Manager and use the Performance tab to monitor CPU, memory, GPU, and disk activity in real time. This helps you link lag or overheating to specific hardware. If you plan updates, note driver versions before proceeding. To finish, run msinfo32 to generate a complete system summary. Export it to a file for records or support. Then check Windows Update and optional drivers. Updating firmware or drivers often resolves misreported specs or stability issues. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to isolate software conflicts and roll back or reinstall a problematic driver. One key troubleshooting tip: if a device disappears, uninstall its driver in Device Manager, then scan for hardware changes to force a clean reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.